Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some beef short ribs. So let's get toasting. There was a bunch of packages of these beef short ribs in the freezer out here. They're about 2 years old. I asked my aunt if she was going to use them, and she said she didn't really have a good recipe for short ribs, so I was welcome to use them if I wanted them. So I just been cooking them in my toaster oven, and it seems to work out pretty good. You get there's about 4 of them in a pack. Just put them in my 10-inch cast iron skillet here, and it's lightly oiled. And then I'm just going to season them up on the outside with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper here. So I'll just do one of these and then show you how I do it. The Johnny's seasoned pepper, besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Use this on a lot of stuff. So I'll just do them all just like this and get them into the toaster oven. I set the oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on them. It's been half an hour, so I'm going to check on these. They look nice on the outside. I want to see what the internal temperature is here. 160 on that one. What about this one here? About 155. That's pretty good. I mean, I don't want them like super rare, but I don't want them like jerky either. So I'm just going to let them rest and we'll try them out. These have been resting for a few minutes, and I just cut one in half. It looks pink and juicy all the way through. I don't know how tender this will be, but let's try a bite. I'll cut a piece off here, and we'll see how that is. That tastes like steak. I'm not a huge fan of short ribs, but that's one of the best short ribs I've ever had. Let's see what Annie thinks. Want to try this, Annie? What do you think here? Those are some of the best short ribs I've ever had. I've cooked them in slow cooker, but I like them a lot better that way. It's more like eating steak. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.